guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a cinnamon and raisin artisan bread. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Today we're going to need flour, water, sugar, salt, yeast, cinnamon, and raisins. Add salt, sugar, yeast, and cinnamon to the flour and whisk until combined. Add water and mix until you have a shaggy dough, adding raisins halfway through. Cover and let rest for 12 to 14 hours. I like to let mine rest on the counter overnight and bake in the morning. After 12 to 14 hours, remove the plastic wrap and stretch and fold 3 to 4 times. Then cover for 30 more minutes. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with your pot in the oven. Once your oven is preheated, generously flour the bottom of your hot pot and carefully place your dough in the pot. Cover and bake for 20 minutes at 450 degrees. After 20 minutes, remove the bread from the oven and place on a cooling rack to cool. I hope you enjoy!